Is your Jeep possessed? Do your windshield wipers go on their own? Are you starting to get the weird Christmas tree dash? On the 2012 to 18 JKs, the usual cause is gonna be the negative cable. So I'm gonna show you how to check it and repair it for really freaking cheap. So yeah. All right, to check it, take your hand, put it right here, and push. See that? It's bad! So let me show you why this happens. All right, so the reason this happens is the system uses this weird little ground clamp, this little clamp to tighten everything, as opposed to just a through bolt. So what happens is you put that in there and then the nut has this little slope on it. So as you tighten it, it pulls that tighter and tighter. But because of that, there is a limit to how tight it can actually pull it. And after a while, once things wear down, this little guy can't do anything anymore. Step 1, take off the battery terminal. All right, here we go. Oh, nope. You know, this is harder when you're using a camera and you can't.
Hey, you want me to hold the camera for you? I can come over your shoulder over there.
Yeah, we'll do that here in a second. Take that off. That. Watch what you do with this. You go. It's Gabe's now. Take this piece off. See this piece? Nope, that's gone too. Then this piece. Take off. Step 2, cover your work area because it's going to make a friggin' mess. These in here like that. And we're going to go like that. All right, tools you should need. Mini Sawzall. Terminal cleaner. Something to grabby and bendy with. 1/2" wrench. And I use this stupid thing because I bought it and I'd feel bad if I didn't actually use it for something. But you can use a Dremel, file, anything really. Step 3, we're gonna make our first cut. All right, after you're done with that part, you should have something that looks roughly like this. Now what we're gonna do is make 2 very small grinds with the die grinder. Like I said, you can use a Dremel, it doesn't really matter what, whatever gets this job done, right? Then you just bend up and over, and that piece will crack off. Throw it away. And we're gonna do the same thing to this side. And you're gonna do the same thing as the other side and just crack that piece off. And you notice what just fell out. And when you're all done, it should look just like that. And you can clean it up with a file, make it look good. I forgot what step we were on, so we'll just call this next step is... Take your terminal cleaner. Anti-corrosion washer. And this is an interstate, but there's a million versions of it, marine terminal. Just gonna put that on there and tighten her up. This part, and then, okay. And then I like to hit it with this stuff. There's a million brands. But just a quick spray. And that's it. And now we're done. So that permanently fixes the problem. So you never have to worry about that stupid battery terminal. And I've seen Jeep dealerships try to replace a whole damn engine harness for that problem. I've seen shops try it. No. 10 minutes, basic hand tools, good to go. How to fix your negative cable on can't your Jeep will generally be possessed, and it's stupid.